Sometimes it's not about where you're going, but it's the journey itself. Picture this. You're behind the wheel, the sun is shining, and the open road stretches out before you. With your favorite playlist playing in the background, every song feels like the soundtrack to this adventure. The destination? It's just a dot on the map, but this ride, this is where the magic happens. As you navigate winding roads and unexpected detours, you realize the real thrill is the freedom of the drive. And with each mile, you cherish the journey, knowing that sometimes getting there is the best part.